afternoon. I didn't grab any footage for this next part, but this is the bed install that we had pre-booked prior to even going down to Miami. So let me run the clips. The little safety feature it has, and then you just turn it and pull. You didn't get in. And then basically this is how you, oh, did he plug it in? Oh, he did. So
this is all plugged in?
Yeah, this is all plugged in. Just when it looked like we weren't gonna get any loads, a load going from Jacksonville to Columbia, South Carolina. 500 bucks, 288 miles. You gotta do what you gotta do just to get out. So, not too bad.
Sometimes may be good, sometimes may be shit.
What can we do? It positions us in a better area. So, let's go. Yeah, South Carolina. I don't know if that's Bridgestone horsepower going to Columbia. Okay. I just... Ooh. We're loaded up. Now we're heading on out. We have about 292 miles. Like, let's just say 4 or 5 o'clock. I'll be lazy with the driving and relax for the rest of the day. That's it. The only truck stop I've seen. Look at that. Welcome, professional drivers. What this truck stop has, you guys wouldn't believe. This is just South Charlotte area. I'll show you inside. This is crazy, actually. This is funny, man. Can't believe it. I'm gonna go bowling later. Oh, this is the restaurant. Just took a shower, but look at this. Show you a view. Sheesh. Get the fuck out of here. Fucking hard, no fucking gain. You know what I'm saying? All hard, no gain. All hard, no gain. Yeah. There we go. Good morning. It is Wednesday. We gotta go deliver this as fast as possible. 2.4 miles. Hopefully somebody can deliver this so I could be at that job site by like, I don't know, 8:30, I guess. So. I mean, I could put it in the dock, but it's like hoses. It's like the long hoses. Like you have to like drag.
How many you got?
It says 45 pieces. Yeah, I'll do that. And then, what's it called? I'll help you out too. I'll grab my gloves and spout. The next pickup. Let's freaking go. Good, yourself, boss? How you doing? How you doing?
I got those bills laden in the truck for you. I grab those real quick.
So we did pick up that load. We're gonna keep it moving. I should be in Canton, Ohio by 8 o'clock tonight, so I'll still have time to get a little lift in. Used the jump rope and
So that was a f***ing lie.
just keep it moving. I didn't realize it was Good Friday this week, so majority of the warehouses are closed, so I'm just gonna head home for the weekend and enjoy a nice one too. Back in Chicago. And so that's it. Parked in for the night. It is Wednesday. We're gonna deliver this tomorrow at 8 a.m. We have something we're picking up at 9. It's about 46 miles away, going to Fort Wayne, Indiana. 246 loaded miles, I believe, for 700. We can't find anything. I'm just gonna drive home and get the other truck situated. So yeah, let's go. Good morning. It is Thursday, April 2nd. We're gonna go get some fuel and then head to the drop-off, go to the pickup, do a direct delivery, and then probably just go home. I don't know what else to say. Mileage is 438,000.
And trip number.
104. Thank you so much, miss. You take care. Trip. It's the old Budweiser building. Huh. I've been living for the backyard sunrise. Should I throw one of these on? No. We just delivered that. Now we are on our way to the next pickup. It is 52 miles away, direct delivery, about 240 miles. And we are taking that for 700, get me closer to home. If we don't find anything, I gotta do a few things on the truck. I'll take you guys along with me, and yeah. So, let's go. What? Less. Say less. What's up, wow wow? Nah, but seriously, we picked up this load. We're gonna make it there, let's just say by 2. And then I'm just gonna drive home empty, I guess. I can maybe go pick up some parts and stuff. We'll see. Or my brother can come scoop me. So yeah, we'll see what happens. How you doing, boss? 9 pallets. Wherever, if you want to print, sign, date, and the time I delivered it at. Don't mind the mess in the bag. That's what I'm taking out. It's all my dirty laundry. Finally back. We're in town. I'm gonna go park up the truck now. Tomorrow we have our mobile tech coming through to do the full PM service. We're going to be changing out the serpentine valve, all the filters, the inside the cabin filters, the outside filters for the transmission, for the truck. So that's what we're going to be doing. And yeah, that's kind of that. My brother's at the truck right now, so I'm not going to say it was a good week nor a bad week. For the 2 weeks that we drove, I would say it's about 4,500 miles. And we did, you know, above $2 a mile these past 2 weeks. Something they had before. Could be even better. Haven't done, you know, while the video goes on, you'll probably see it at the top added. But no, all in all, pretty good. Cheers to another good week. The first 2 videos panned out where a turbo actuator went out. And that cost the arm and a leg. Cost like $1,600, but we keep it moving. You learn as you go on, and I think that's one of the biggest things in this industry, that you have to learn who to trust, what people to be around, and especially, you know, what brokers to speak to. We're still learning, and we're still getting there. We're building one of the greatest teams, and I believe this is just the start, and we're continuously building momentum. So let's go. Look at that truck. Can't seem to find my brother though. Get out the way! Bato, you gotta get out the way. I'm gonna back it up just so you can see. Yeah, get the fuck out of there. Back it up. Back it on, back it up. And that's kind of it for the route. Yeah. Same box make, same everything. Same model, same year. Back in town. But yeah, this truck should be ready mid-April. What I did notice is we're missing a fucking mud flap on this one too. So let's go. What's happening? Dođi da me zagradiš. Ajde, ajde.
Šta će ti te naočare, majke ti, da me snimaš, jel?
Da, gledaj.
Joj, nemoj molim te.
Kako si?
Joj, ti znaš kako se ja plašim na to. Joj, kako se ja plašim.
To su metkove.
To tu goravi, tamo goravi.
Fuck, bro.
Hey, but take a look. Bato got me this shit. Let's go. We'll rip bro. This. Hey, that's so funny. Look at this. Oh my god. You open this motherfucker up. And you like smell that? Do you smell what I smell it? God pack. You know what I'm saying? Oh. No way. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. But oh shit. No. It's only $100, but oh man.
Are you still happy with the pulls?
Dog. Yo, Momcha, you want coffee? Alright. Morning routine done, big dog. Now meow type shit. We're gonna go. He's gotta go with my pops to go do something at the building. I say my pops, our pops. Our tata to go to the building to go finish something with the tenants due to the tornado that was in the area yesterday. And
ripped off siding, power lines down, windows broken, so a whole bunch of stuff. So we gotta go fix that up, and we gotta go and make a claim now as well too for that.
Yep, I'm gonna go grab the parts that we need for the Freightliner to do a full PM service. That's the belt. We're gonna change all the filters, the outside transmission, oil filters, everything that we need done to it. Go get it registered and see if we could hopefully get the plates today. I believe we should be able to. I'm gonna fix the wheels on my door because 2 more just popped off. I'm pissed off, but whatever, I'll get that done. Fleet Pride got me covered, and yeah, so I'll take you along with me. We're gonna walk in now to go get the wheels, to go get the attachments for it, the hinges. I mean, we're gonna go get the hinges for the wheels on our doors because 2 of them fell off, but I'm just gonna replace all of them and the bottom. Picked up some parts. I'm gonna go drive to the guy now. Hopefully he's in the office. Registered the truck, paid the fee. Now we gotta wait on the license to come in. Should take another 2 weeks, but I'm going back to the truck to fix the rest of the hinges. And hopefully that's all I gotta do for the day. Yeah, Mom. Hey, the paint's dirty, but the wrist clean.
Yes, nice. But šta su radili sa pantalona?
I don't know.
So where are you fixing the truck?
Over here by my mom's work. But I'm so confused because yeah, you kind of figure everything out, you know, when you do it.
Yeah.
You kind of don't know shit, to be honest with you.
Slowly but surely, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know about ever, but you know, you just think you fix it, you know. As you can see, boom, changed all that. I'm missing those 3. And I'll change out those 2.
Better, cleaner now too.
I don't know about cleaner, but Wisconsin, tornado was hit. It's Sunday. We had a few tenants move out. This is also what we're dealing with. So it's kind of the end of the video. Tell me what you think. It wasn't too much. We had to leave Miami. So yeah, we left. We did what we could, so now we keep it moving. But yeah, now we're in our unit working on it. Whole family. So see you next week. Bye-bye.